Hi guys, welcome to Hello Zulu. I'm going to do a tutorial for you today, just quickly showing you how variations work. So let's go click add new. You're going to want to click variable products. You can give it a title, anything you want. I'll put test in. You can set your products like you would normally. A lot of the stuff is also going to be managed in the variation area as well. Just put a short description, whatever you want. Tags are always a good thing regardless of the product type because they help with search, so I would suggest putting anything that's related to your product in there. You don't have to worry about this area for variables because it's all going to be managed by the variations. So click attributes, add. I would say just put in an attribute you want to use. Colors pretty standard, so let's do that. Now you want to put that separator line in. So blue, separator line, whatever other colors you want to add. That separator line is usually shift and then the backslash key. That's a bit of a weird one. Add another variation just so we can test. Let's put size, small, medium and large, also with that separator key. You don't have to worry about saving any of this, it automatically saves. So then click on variations. Now you can add them, choose small, and then whatever variation you want. I would do it in order, but it doesn't matter. So now you can either manually add everything. So manage stock, you can set regular price to whatever you want and set a sale price if you want. You can do the stock quantities per each variation. You can add a SKU if you want to manage that sort of thing, and back orders. Here's another way to do this that's quite a lot easier. If you want to bulk edit, I would suggest just add all your variations first and then move on to the bulk editor, which we'll get to once I've just finished adding these. Okay, bulk editing options. So now you can see that adding all of those hasn't put in any of the information you put in your first one. So if your products have similar info, this is a good way to go. So like for instance, regular prices for all of them at 200. Let's click OK, and you'll see that it's now added that price to every single one of your variables. The same can be done with a few other things, like if you wanted to set the sale prices for all of your products to 150, the same thing will happen. It'll now, your original one will still be 150 and all of them going forward are also 150. You can do this with a lot of other things. So if you wanted to toggle stock on, then now it's on for everything. You would then also be able to set your stock, say all of them to 3, and then click OK. Now all of your stock is going to be set to 3 for every variation. Obviously, if you have different stock quantities for different variations, you're going to want to do this manually, but at least the option's there. There are other options as well. You can set your products to in stock and out of stock. You can also do your product types from here, and there are some other things you can play around with. Click submit and your product will be submitted. If approved, it'll be published and you'll be able to view it as soon as the page loads. Click the little eye and there's your product. Now you can see how the variations work. If you click blue and small, you'll have 3 in stock and you can add it to your basket. So that's variations.